Welcome to the world's greatest culinary competition, Young Chef Olympiad 2019, designed for the world's best culinary students, hosted by the IIHM, International Institute of Hotel Management in association with IHC, International Hospitality Council, UK. Zehadul Hasan was a third-year student of NHTTI and represented Bangladesh in 4th International Young Chef Olympiad 2018. Now Zehadul Hasan works as the international marketing representative at Turkish Culinary Academy and will be the Turkey mentor who will spearhead the team at the 5th International Young Chef Olympiad 2019.
Hello everyone, this is Chef Zehadul Hasan and I'm from Turkish Culinary Academy and I'm the international marketing representative of Turkish Culinary Academy and I'm also the head of the Asian cuisine in TCA. This year I'm also the chef mentor of Team Turkey in YCO 2019. And before, in 2018, I was the participant of Team Bangladesh in YCO 2018. So YCO makes my dream comes true because of YCO now I am here. From my childhood, I want to be a successful chef. So because of YCO, now I am here. So I always appreciate to YCO Organizing Committee. I always appreciate to founder of YCO, Mr. Suborno Bose, Mr. David Foskett, and all members of YCO Organizing Committee. And I always say to everyone like that, if anyone asks me how can I come here or something like that, I always say to them, because of YCO, only because of YCO I am here. Because YCO makes everyone's dreams come true. And I believe that YCO is just not a competition. This is the way of makes the whole world together.